Hello everybody and welcome to a new video, and today we will be doing reacting to videos. So let us try to look to Nickelodeon videos, Nickelodeon videos. So alright, magnetic, alright. That's the letter I. Now the letter I. There you go. And the letter C. Here we go, there's the letter C. And the letter K. Good, nice animation for the flip book, sir. That is really cool. It's really cool. So, let's try this one.
Ang kuto ay isang maliit na insekto na nabubuhay sa buhok ng...
It's a Filipino. It's a Tagalog word. Alright. So, be right back, guys. While I was scrolling down, I found this DIY giant fluffy plushie, but I already watched it, so let's do this. Alright. Awkward. Maybe slime. That might be. I don't really know. This is a 1,000-degree knife, guys. This is toys. This is really awesome. So, yep, it is slime. It is slime. Slime that is melting, of course. Is slime melt? Look at that. That thing is glowing in red. I don't really know why. By the way, guys, Merry Christmas. I am really sorry if I said Merry Christmas really late because in December 25 we celebrated our family reunion. So I'm really sorry if I really By the way, guys, in the next video I will be dubbing one of Camila Cuevas' videos on the glitch thing. So I'll be doing some glitch till the next video. So goodbye, guys, and see you in the next video.